All right, guys, here we are again. We're gonna do our happy Easter shot. And
Do you like to get it open? Because I can't get it open.
Well, you don't have nothing in here yet.
I got one little bottle.
What's in there?
Because I told you we're probably never gonna play that game.
We will, but it's not time yet. All right, so what do we got in this Hoppy Easter shot?
I have some blue Kinky and some pink Whitney.
All right, well, I will just shake it all about, guys. I really feel as if we should put something harder in here. Let's put something a little bit harder in here.
I don't want to put anything harder. It's supposed to be like a nice little shot.
No, we don't like nice little shots.
We don't do shots on Sundays. Sundays is
I
no
know,
shot
but
day.
it'll be okay. I'm just gonna give it a little splash of fireball, guys. Jesus Christ, it's all mad about a little bit of fireball. You know, just a little, not a lot, just a little.
Is that your beer over there?
No, my beer's outside.
So that must be mine.
No, your beer's outside. It'll be empty.
It is empty.
All right, so now I'm gonna shake it again.
Oh my God. You need to do something with these counters. I can't handle this.
Well, no, careful. All right, guys, so happy Easter to you all. I cut my thumb.
Chopping ham.
Chopping-
Seriously?
What, you just want to drink out of here?
Maybe at this point in time.
All right, it's our only shot. We don't take shots on Sundays, guys. Really?
This one has more.
Well, I'll put one on my own.
Cheers to the Happy Easter, no
Cheers
shot
to the
Sundays.
to the bunnies. The bunnies and not the bunnies. Hope you guys have a blessed Easter and the Lord has risen.
Oh, that is good.
If your life's living interesting, make it interesting. Winners never quit and quitters never win. Hit like, subscribe, comment, and share. And again, happy Easter, guys. Later.